Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll show you how to invest in index funds using Vanguard's mobile app, a trusted platform for building a diversified investment portfolio. If you're looking for a low-cost and effective way to grow your wealth, this guide is perfect for you. Let's get started. Download and log in to the Vanguard app. Begin by downloading the Vanguard app from your device's app store. Log in with your existing account credentials or create a new account if you're a first-time user. Navigate to the Investing section. Once logged in, go to the Investments or Trade tab on the app's main menu. This is where you'll manage your portfolio and find index funds to invest in. Search for index funds. Use the search bar to find specific index funds like Vanguard's Total Stock Market Index Fund, VTX, or S&P 500 Index Fund, VOO. Review the fund's details, including its expense ratio, performance history, and holdings. Open a brokerage account if needed. If you don't already have a brokerage account linked to Vanguard, you'll need to set one up. Follow the app's instructions to link your bank account and choose the type of investment account, such as a taxable account or retirement account like an IRA. Place an order. Select the index fund you want to invest in and choose the buy option. Enter the amount you wish to invest. Vanguard typically allows fractional investing, so you can start with a small amount. Set investment frequency. Decide whether to make a one-time investment or set up recurring contributions. Recurring investments are a great way to stay consistent with your financial goals. Review and confirm your order. Double-check your investment details, including the fund, amount, and frequency. Once everything looks good, confirm your purchase. The app will process your order, and you'll see the fund added to your portfolio. Monitor your investment. Use Vanguard's dashboard to track your index fund's performance over time. You can also access tools and resources to learn more about managing your portfolio. Index funds are a simple and cost-effective way to invest in the market, and Vanguard's mobile app makes it easy to get started. Have you tried investing in index funds with Vanguard? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more investing guides. See you in the next one.